Hey everyone, Taylor here, social media and brand manager at Easy Texting. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the difference between MMS and SMS. MMS stands for Multimedia Messaging Service and is designed to send SMS messages that include images and brief videos that can improve engagement rates by as much as 250%. MMS messages are SMS messages with benefits. MMS messages can contain up to 500 kilobytes of data, including emojis, pictures, animated GIFs, or audio and video files. To fully understand MMS, let's refresh on SMS text messaging. SMS stands for Short Message Service. SMS texts are limited to 160 characters per message and are the most frequently used text format today. You're already familiar with personal SMS texting, but here are the ways SMS benefits business. Sending reminders for sales events or promotions. Sending offer codes for special promotions. Sending reminders, receipts, or other important notifications. When choosing between SMS versus MMS, ask yourself, are you guiding customers to a sign-up form or asking them to click through to a website? Concise SMS text message instructions might be exactly what your customer needs. Is your product or service visually compelling? If so, then a beautiful image and a gentle text reminding your customer of your brand might make more sense. Like bad email marketing, no one wants to receive a spam text. Instead, your audience wants short bursts of valuable information and engaging multimedia that cater to their interests in your product or service. Breathe new life into your brand experience by leveraging the power of SMS and MMS messaging today with Easy Texting.
Text TRY to 858585 to begin your free trial.